Alright, go ahead. $10 spent, upgrade feature.
Super mansion feature. Super jackpot.
Oh my god, we got the super fucking mansion. Oh, we got the super bus up.
One away from the grand.
We'll start with 2 golds.
Damn, I wish you could.
We'll start with 4 golds.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Good
Ooh,
lineup.
this could be good. This could be good.
I pressed it too.
Yeah, good. I pressed it too. I pressed it too.
Presses it.
Ah,
2 more. Nice. Another gold.
another goal. Keep them coming.
Come on up, bud. Get us back, dude.
Oh, I don't like the glitch. Another goal.
It usually glitches for some reason on the
Hats,
screen.
hats.
One more. Come on.
Oh no.
Come on. Be better than that.
Hats. Or full screen to those little.
Yep.
Come on. Hats.
Hats. Oh my god, that's so bad. 2 more.
I don't like that
Jesus.
glitch. Hats, hats, hats. Oh my
Wow.
gosh.
Wow. That's so shitty. But it's a bonus.
And there's
There's
5,
6.
6 mansions. So shitty though.
For an upgrade, it should be.
Yeah, it should have been a lot more.
I thought we were in a hand.
I mean, it could be minor.
It could be a grand. You never know. It could be $97,000 right now. You'll see me throw my phone. Minor. Those are big.
Those are 400 guys.
$910.